Gatho cia mwanya nyambe kunyita ugeni guku ni gwa Kameme TV muthigi wa rurire thiini wa tafarra kana thiini wa mohoro gitau ta uria turegetie guthagathagirwo ni andeke aitu aria mathite na mbere na kwamba hema kundu gutiganite jitagwo Maina akihumo na tukambire neti andu 13 ni makuire kirego kia umuthi kumana na mutino wa Varvara mwena wa Mega Moro kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni Varvara-ini nene ya Naikuru guthie Eldoret aria mekiritwo mukode gukua ni arume 8 tumia 4 na mwana umwe. Mutino uyu ukuruhanirie ngari ya ukui wa muingi ya Kitale Sacco na Aturera area iguthiaga mwena wa Naikuru.
Maya ni matigari ma ngari iria kuratuika ikumaga mwena wa Kitale yerekeire guku mucini wa Nairobi. Ngari iria iguthirwo ni kirori giki kiria onakio gikurorete mwena uyu. Kirori giki dereva agire mwerekera barabara-ini ya Eldoret guka Naikuru ituraini ria Migana kugutha ngari ino na ya ukui wa muingi na gucungiriria ikuo cia andu 13.
Ilikuwa siku ya huzuni leo wakati tumepata ajali ambaye imehusisha lori na Nissan ambaye ilikuwa na Kitale Shuttle. Lori iliweza kugonga Nissan ambaye watu wote waliweza kukufa ambaye ni watu 12.
Kamanda wa borithi kuma gicigo bunge kia Molo Timon Odingo nekirite mukode uhoro wa kiuga ona dereva na tani boy akirori giki ni makuire mutino-ini uyu.
Na hii lori ili lose control ikaanza kuyumba ikagonga ukuta hii yenye imepasua barabara katikati, ikagonga hizo ukuta 20. Baada ya kugonga ukuta ilifuata hiyo matatu nini yake ikatoka hiyo container. The container was carrying coffee for export, na hiyo container ndio imeleta shida yote, ikalalia matatu na ikapeleka matatu mpaka kwa mtaro.
Gutire mundu honokire mutino-ini uyu na oho thirikari ikiurio gwika mituki na kwararamia barabara ino kuona kihiri kia andu ni makwirire mutino-ini uyu.
Ajali hii ilitendeka kuanzia saa 8 usiku. Tumeweza kujaribu kutuwezavyo kuweza kuokoa tuone kama kuna manusura, lakini hakuna manusura wote ambao tuweza kuwapata. Wote waliweza kufariki.
Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.
Na riboti yake hamuno makiria kuma kule mwena wa Mega. Tugithii na mbere, governor wa kaunti ya Meru ni aguthitwo igotha thutha wa igoti nene gukorwo rigikwindira itua ria bunge ya Senate ria kumuhagura. Akiruta itua riu, Jaji Bahati Mwamuye oigite bunge ya Senate ni yakuriwe kirumirira watho hindi ya kumuhagura, kiuga mateta ma kawira ti makinyaniru kugarura itua riu. Mwangaza athite igoti-ini akiuga bunge ya Senate ni yagire kurumira mitaratara iria yagireire hindi ya kumuhagura, undu uria igoti riugite ndanarehe uira muigano wa kuonania mateta make.
An analysis of evidence demonstrates that the petitioner was accorded all the procedural safeguards necessary for a fair hearing, including the opportunity to present evidence, respond to both allegations as well as questions from the senators, oppose the county assembly's position, and make a final statement. Excuse me. The Senate proceedings followed standard parliamentary procedure, incorporating an opening statement, presentation of evidence, an opportunity for senators to ask questions, and a closing statement. The court has assessed the totality of the impeachment process and found that the petitioner was given ample opportunity to present her case and respond to allegations leveled against her. While the petitioner has pointed out certain aspects of the proceedings that she considers unfair, such as limited debate time, the opportunity to make a personal statement, the alleged chaotic nature of the proceedings, the timing of official communications, and the perceived haste in concluding the impeachment, none of these claims have been substantiated sufficiently to warrant a finding that her fair hearing rights were violated. Therefore, the Senate's impeachment process was procedurally sound and does not warrant judicial intervention on grounds of unfair hearing. The Gazette Notice number 10351, volume CXXV1, number 130, dated 20th August, published on 21st August 2024, and issued by the respondent communicating the decision and or resolution of the Senate to remove the petitioner from office as the governor of Meru County by way of impeachment is affirmed for the purposes of these proceedings. C. Consequent to A and B above, the subsequent constitutional and statutory actions are free to take place as per the applicable timelines. And D. Each party shall bear their own costs. Dated, signed and delivered in open court on this 14th day of March 2025.
Ripoti ingĩ nĩ atĩ nake Minista mũnene Musalia Mudavadi nĩ agathĩrĩirie Kenya arĩa maikaraga na kũruta wĩra mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja agĩtarĩria kĩguni kĩnene kĩrĩa Kenya aya makoretwo makĩrehera bũrũri kũroigĩte thirikari nĩ ĩharĩrĩirie kũmanyitĩrĩra na njĩra nene. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya ũrugũria wa mĩtaratara mĩerũ ya maũndũ ma nanja, Mudavadi atarĩirie atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩharĩrĩirie gũkorwo ĩkĩgitĩra Kenya aya kumana na mogwati matiganĩte kũrĩa rĩu oigĩte makĩria ma ciringi bilioni 4 nĩcio ciakorirwo igĩtũmwo nĩ Kenya aya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mwaka mũhĩtũku.
At the Ministry of Foreign Affairs are going to work with you so that the very clear and noble objectives of our Kenyans in different parts of the country will be recognized. In 2022, your remittances were about $4 billion. By the end of 2024, the remittances had hit 4.95 billion, basically $5 billion of remittances from the diaspora. You have surpassed our earnings from tea, from coffee, from tourism.
For us to say we have a prosperous diaspora, we have an engaged diaspora for a prosperous nation, what do we as the government and the people of Kenya have to do for those of us who live and work and study abroad? In what ways are we going to engage them? In what ways are we going to empower our Kenyans in the diaspora, and in what ways are we going to ensure they prosper? It talks about the challenges that we currently have, but also looks into where the opportunities are. We've noticed, and we have started to put together some interventions, Your Excellency, around the fact that Kenyans in the diaspora now are increasingly becoming and running for political office. And I don't just mean President Obama, I mean many, many others. And that is a new area of engagement for us.
Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, President William Ruto nĩ aingĩrire thikũ ya gatano icera rĩake kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi gũthũrima ũthii wa na mbere wa tabarĩra itiganĩte. Akĩaria arĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kasarani, President nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kũhinyĩrĩria atĩ nĩ egũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitithania bũrũri kũrĩa rĩu okĩrĩire igeria o rĩothe rĩa atongoria rĩa gũcokia kabira.
Wale watu wote ambao walitoka kutoka Riparian Reserve, nyinyi ndio mtakuwa wa kwanza kupatiwa hizo nyumba ya social housing, na tuko na jina ya kila mtu ambaye alitolewa kwa mtu pale ambaye alitoka kwa sababu ya mafuriko. Tutaanza na nyinyi wakati tunapatiana social housing ambazo tunaanza sasa kujenga. Nairobi hoye! Mimi na ulizeni jameni. Sawa sawa. Si tulikubaliana tufanye kazi. Si sasa ni 2025. Si uchaguzi itakuwa 2027. Si nyinyi ndio mtaamua kulingana na ile kazi mtu amefanya. Si nyinyi ndio mtaamua kulingana na ile kazi mtu amefanya. Sasa kila mtu afanye bidii. Mimi kazi yangu mimi nitafanya.
Tũgĩtigana na cia Ruto Nairobi, nakĩo kĩama kĩa arigitani gĩa KMPDU hamwe na atongoria a kĩama kĩa arutani kana kĩa aruti a wĩra wa mũingĩ nĩ marutĩte mũkana wa gũkarũgamia motungata kũrĩ mũingĩ na matabania mũrũrũngano mũthĩ wa kerĩ kiumia tũrorete korwo thirikari ndĩgũkorwo ĩkĩarĩra mĩtaratara mĩkinyanĩru ya ũrĩa aruti aya a wĩra magũkorwo makĩamũkĩra motungata ma ũrigitani gũtarĩ na mĩhĩnga. Ciama ici igĩrĩ ciugĩte ona thengia wa amemba ao gũkorwo makĩrengwo mbeca rungu rwa mũbango wa SHA matiramũkĩra motungata rĩrĩa mathiĩ kũmatha motungata ma ũrigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ.
I've been enjoying comprehensive medical cover. But then when NHIF was changed to Social Health Authority, they stopped enjoying this cover. This was not a privilege. It was out of the stoppage or relinquishing the medical insurance or the medical allowance of the public servant that they were enjoying these particular covers. So yes, the civil servants and public servants have been paying medical allowance to NHIF and again paying the statutory deduction. Last year, from 1st of October, when SHA came into effective fully and NHIF became de facto, we had a meeting with the national government and agreed that the services that we were enjoying from NHIF, the comprehensive cover, will then be covered by Social Health Authority. But this only happened for a few months. The whole part of December and part of this year, our members have been complaining. We've seen doctors who are offering services being detained in the hospitals because the comprehensive component of the Social Health Authority is not working. We complained about this 2 weeks ago and then it worked for 2 days. We are back here because we have many civil servants, we have many public servants, we have many doctors that as we speak now cannot access both public and private services using Social Health Authority. Yet we have been faithfully paying the medical allowance which we relinquished and the statutory reduction of 2.75%. When we tried to ask Social Health Authority why this is happening, then they said that employers, which also is government, has not remitted to them the 2.75% that have been deducted. So government deducts the money from the employees and say that they have not remitted to the government, and therefore the government decided not to give services to the workers. So as we had promised earlier, we are not in a begging mission. The access to health care for doctors, for public servants, for civil servants is a right. And the fact that it's not a free service that we are asking for, but it's a service that we are asking based on the finances that we have been deducted. We have resolved, both as KMPDU and as UKCS, that next week on 18th, we'll have a mega demonstration from Kenyatta National Hospital to Social Health Authority to put petition there. And then we proceed to the Ministry of Health, then we'll proceed to the Ministry of Public Service, and then to Treasury. And then we want to ask the government, both the national government and the county government and Social Health Authority, the ineffectiveness.
Oya, nishigie arutuera na arokore wa KMPDU. Tugithi kwa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua ni iranire ngirimiti ya wiguano na kana wa kuruthania wira na nyiti itemi uremi-ini wa irio nyumu muoroto uri kugacirithia na kuhurana na morito maria makoretwo kuo magumeire arimi a irio nyumu kaunti-ini iyo. Ngirimiti-ini ino tanyite kugacirithia thogora oro udumwe na ikiro cia irio.
Ruhonge rwa urimi na ngirigaca kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua rukoretwo na mihango miingi makigeria gwethera arimi a irio anyiti itemi aria makumateithiriria gukinyaniria urimi mwega. Hindi ya gwikanirira ngirimiti ya kurutithania wira na nyiti itemi sekta-ini ya ukuria wa irio nyumu Cereal Growers Association mwena wa Olkalau, afitha murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa urimi Francis Mirengo augete waiguano uyu ni ukumateithia muno hari kunora meciria ma arimi.
Uhoro wa guteithia arimi aitu gukuria waru njega, kumathomithia uhoro wa gukuria kana gwika urimi uria wagiriire, na specifically Nyandarua ni tukoretwo tukirumirira specifically value chains ni ta waru, uhoro wa ukuria wa njuki na ingi
maugite unyitaniri wao gukorwo uri wa uguni kuri arimi a matura matiganite amu ni mari mathimagira tiri wao kumathomithia njira cia kiriu cia kuhaririria na kuhanda kumethera mbegu njega gatagati-ini ka moguni mangi.
Tunyitane tuthiururuke kaunti yothe kwina arimi aingi muno o wodi to turenda gwika wodi ciothe cia Nyandarua tumenye tiri wa Nyandarua arimi aitu magithie kuhanda ri uhana atia.
Arimi ni magathiriirie mubango uyu makiuga mari na mwihoko ni makuhota kuibaibia kiundu kia magetha imera-ini iguka na kumahe baita munene urimi-ini wao.
Kuma riria turanyitanira na CGA na county government na ngirigaca aitu ni tukoretwo riu tukiruta Nyandarua hau na igatuika ya gwitikirika dutaga wira wa gucokaniria waru na kwendia na riu waru citu ni cietikirikite ona nginya ni iragurwo ni andu metagwo Seleni Fries na kana aya ngima twaraga waru murimo ni tondu ni turutitwo guthomithia andu aitu kurima waru njega na kurima waru certified na mature.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Olkalau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.
Tukiuma Nyandarua na kuo Kiambu, thirikari nene inyitanire na kaunti ya Kiambu ni mambiririe mubango wa gwaka thoko 5 kaunti-ini iyo iria ikuhuthira ciringi bilioni 2.75 thiini wa unyitaniri uyu. Thirikari nene igukorwo ikiruta ciringi bilioni 2 nayo kaunti ikorwo ikiruta ciringi milioni 750. Thoko iria igukorwo igiakwo rungu rwa mubango uyu ni thoko ya Githunguri, Kangangi, Wangigi, Madaraka Thika na Githurai mubango-ini wa keri.
Kwa department ya Urban and Metropolitan Development kuneana designs cia mathoko mana. Mathoko maya mana marakwo nigetha makorwo na unene wa kuoya arimi aingi na andu aria othe magukorwo makendia mathoko-ini mau. Kindu ta mieri iri mithiru ni twaraunchire thoko ya Githunguri yambiririe twina timu ya national government na county government. Ni turacokire turagia na kaugaruruku kanini kurakorwo ati kwina changes cigwikwo thoko itu ya Githunguri nio nirarehire delay ota ya kahinda ka wiki 3 uguo.
Kindu kiria gia bata ngwenda njuge ithuĩ turaiga tutikurehe siasa thiini wa thoko na mundu ira wothe ukurehe siasa thiini wa thoko ucio ti murata witu, iyo ni thu itu. Thoko wa Madaraka ni thoko ina history, traders ni macineirwo magithie hathara bara ikiumira.
Thoko irakwo ya ngorofa 3 na ina basement kana rungu gugwakwo cia igiri ni kuhota rungu muno turekira tondu Kiambu ni ndiri challenges cia migunda na muno makiria iyo cio cia thi cirikoragwo ci parking cia andu aitu aria maroka thoko kugura indo itiganite.
Ni turaka thoko kundu gugwitwo Thika Madaraka, ni turaka thoko kundu gwitagwo Wangigi, ni turaka thoko wengi kundu gwitagwo Kangangi kuria Kiambu town na thoko ĩrĩa ĩngĩ ĩrakwo ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ nĩ ya Githunguri. Thoko ciothe iria turaka rita rĩrĩ nĩ ithuĩ tũgwĩka design nigetha design iyo wona twamũrehera haha tũgĩaka ithuĩ nĩ ithuĩ mũkoria kĩũria na koguo tũgĩikara thĩ tũkĩdesign thoko. Haha nĩho ĩkũingĩrĩrwo, haha nĩho ĩkuumĩrwo. Ngiuga thoko ĩno ya gũkũ ya Kiambu hakorwo hena handũ hena mweke wa ciana citũ anake ya mũrona mathiĩte cukuru na tũgathomithia na mena nginya madigiri handũ mangĩrutĩra kawĩra. Tukiuga thoko ya gakorwo ina kindu gitagwo ICT hub nigetha ciana citu magicaria mawira ma macaragia kuria online na maundu maria mangi akaruta wira ucio ki thoko-ini.
Na thutha wa wagagu uria ukoretwo ho wa unyihu wa dawa cia kurwa na HIV kurumirira kurugamio kwa uteithio ni thirikari ya Amerika, thirikari ni irekereirie dawa oro hamwe na indo ingi iria ikoragwo ikihuthika gutangikira andu aria makoretwo na murimo wa mukingo, kuringana na minister wa ugima wa mwiri uria niwe Deborah Barasa. Kuri na dawa njiganu cia kuhuthika kwa ihinda ria miaka iri ukite mugaru na uria gukoretwo gwetwika ate kuri na unyihu wa dawa icio.
While we have made great strides, gaps remain in ensuring supply continuity in remote areas and digitizing drug distribution in some counties. Stigma continues to hinder access, and real-time data is crucial for policy making, resource mobilization. Addressing these issues requires, number one, strengthening local manufacturing of pharmaceuticals and healthcare programs. This will ensure HIV community security and foster sustainable growth. Secondly, integrating HIV patients into the National Health Insurance Scheme, which is the Social Health Authority SHA, to ensure swift distribution of essential commodities and also health service delivery for people living with HIV.
Riboti oneo ya tutirihira mohoro maitu gitau kuma guku gwa Kameme TV tukoro tukinyitana na andiki aitu ikigera thaa imwe na thaa ithatu cia hwaini ni tondu tukoro tugitamburukiria mohoro mangi maingi ta uria turathi na mbere na gukimathirwo kuma kona itiganite hamwe na icera ria president guku mucii wa Nyairobi. Tumana wagaki wa muthoni methenya utori na njira ciiko ni njitagwo Maina Kihumo mucera wa bari ya mutaimeri mathani ndo mwanginake Maina ne yawa kumoro kuria kaunti Tanga ndimwethiri weekend njega ya kirathimo kwa hinya wa nyene tucemanie Jumatatu thiini wa tafarira yari kiratha ngai njega.